Good morning, all of you. Am I audible? Please mention whether the audio video is clear or not. Let me just check. Yeah, audio video is clear now. Please mention whether the audio video is clear. Okay, so welcome all of you to this session. For the new students, this is the paper analysis session of yesterday's mathematical science question paper. For the new people, this is the bio of me, and this is the book I have written for general aptitude section, which is currently the bestseller book available for CSIR net part A section preparation. And this is a full-length course I have launched in Unacademy platform. If you want to get full-length training from me, this is the course you can follow 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. daily. February 2nd to April 13th, the new full-length course for the June 2022 net exam. And Unacademy is giving you a special offer for 3 days if you want to be part of this full-length course. Not only this course, all the educators, all the courses you can access by this Unacademy Plus subscription. Instead of 10%, there is a 20% off till February 19 for those people who want Unacademy Plus subscription. The details are given here. So I'm just waiting for more people to join. If any of your friends want to attend, do share this video link to all of your friends. And also mathematical science students who attended yesterday's question paper or yesterday's exam, please try to comment the questions you remember. We haven't got many questions actually. Many students after the exam told that the questions were so big that they were not able to remember most of them. So partially only we got many of the questions. So if you people can help out to understand more questions, that will be very good. So please post in the chat whichever question you remember. So there is an audio issue. Now just let me check. Hello. Okay, anyway, we will continue. Hello. Okay. So, yes, I told we will start with the questions, and more questions you people can add in the chat and we will discuss that. So, this was a question asked in yesterday's question paper. If there is any correction in this question also, you can mention. Yes, Seema, I got the questions you have sent. Thank you so much. So many of you have sent me the questions. So from that I am starting the discussion. More discussion will happen if you people can send more questions that you remember. So this question was a simple question in my opinion. Yeah, mathematical science, many questions were time consuming, but few questions were very simple also. We will start with that questions. So this was a very simple question. The options exactly how it was, students haven't sent, but we will just start discussing. So make a try, all of you. So if you haven't attended the exam, as a practice session, please try this. All of you make a try. Yes, Javed, understandable. Some questions were, or many questions were lengthy. And that is the reason that normally after an exam we get almost half of the questions from the students. But this time, almost half we got, but most of the questions partially we got. Some data is missing because the questions were lengthy. That is the reason. And paper analysis of other subjects also are running. Yesterday we took physical science paper analysis. Today evening 6 p.m. most probably will be able to take chemical science paper analysis of yesterday's exam, and life science paper analysis we are planning to do it tomorrow. Just a minute, let me just check everyone is able to join. And mathematical science students, your subject paper analysis is also done by other educators, you can check. This session is only for aptitude section. 11 is no problem, Seema. 11 questions dead means that is not a bad number. So this question, let us understand. Which among the following Venn diagram represent the inflammable objects water, liquid, petrol? So it's a logical syllogism kind of problem or Venn diagram identification kind of problem. So what are the connection you can establish? Petrol is an inflammable object. Na? So all petrol are inflammable objects, we can say. Inflammable objects, IO I am representing. And petrol is a liquid, so petrol will be a subset of liquid also, but how liquid is connected to inflammable objects, that you should be clear. All inflammable objects are not liquid and all liquid are not inflammable also. Water is not an inflammable liquid, and for example an RDX bomb, that is an inflammable object but that is still not a liquid. So we can say some inflammable liquid are only, some inflammable objects only are liquid, some are not, but all petrol are liquid now. So we can say the Venn diagram will be something like this. In the original question paper, whether the Venn diagram was given with rectangle or circle, we don't know. Those of you remember, please mention in the chat. So we can say petrol, all petrol are liquid, and we can say some inflammable objects are liquid and some are not. That is why we are having an intersection between inflammable objects and liquid. And what about water? Water is a liquid but that is not inflammable, and water is not petrol also. So water will come somewhere here. So the rough Venn diagram we can draw is like this. So the answer will be something like this. Okay, I was telling it was rectangle. Okay, rectangle means change the diagram to rectangle. That does not make any difference. So if the answer is in rectangle, we can draw inflammable objects like this, petrol like this, and liquid like this, and water like this. Yeah, in the options they will not label petrol, water, liquid, inflammable objects. Then it will be so simple, na? They will be not labeling it, but just to make you understand, I have labeled it. So as you people told, it is rectangle, something like this option will be there. That should be the correct answer. Any doubts, please ask. Okay, Javed. Yeah, this Venn diagram just before the day before exam also I told you, have a look on Venn diagram problem, because earth science question paper also it was there, physical science question paper also it is there, and mathematical science paper also it is there. That is why I told you CSIR and aptitude is common for all science streams. If the exam is happening on different dates, they have to make different question papers. And yesterday chemical science, there was a very surprising thing happened in chemical science part A section. Chemical science part A section, most of the question was just ditto questions came in previous year question papers. I don't know why only for chemical science that many repetition. Other subjects also concept repetition are there. Most of the concepts are repeated concepts. But exact question was repeated for chemical science part A. That we will discuss today 6 p.m. Yeah, there is some audio issue. I don't know what is the audio issue actually. For the time sake, we will continue. So this question, all of you clear? So this will be the correct answer. So this is the next question. I am just adding an image sent by a student itself, because today morning itself only I got all these questions. So for today's class, I had to use the images that you people have sent itself. Okay, Seema. Yes, Seema. Chemical science, it was there like that. Okay. So this question, any answers? Try it. Yeah, this is A, B, C, D, 4 options. Can you mention what will be the answer? I will give you 1 minute. Those of you haven't tried this question can try it now. This is B option, A option, C option and D option. Which of the 4 options are correct? The picture is like, yeah, this is also mentioned. This is 90 degrees also mentioned in the question. This is 90 degrees also mentioned. If so, what is the answer? What is the area of that shaded region? I will draw the picture once more if you want. This is 90 degrees mentioned, and this shaded region is, this shaded region is asked. This shaded region is asked. This is the radius obviously. Options were not same. Yeah, sorry. Not okay. The radius is not r na. Okay, sorry. Radius of the circle is 1 unit circle. It is mentioned unit circle. That is what you people are commenting. Okay, yeah, unit circle is needed. Otherwise, the answer will be in terms of r. So unit circle is needed. So this radius is 1. That is also given in the question. Yeah, then the question is so simple. Then the question will be so simple. All of you try it. Question is correct now. Those of you attended the exam, please mention. Now the question is correct now. Find the area of the shaded region if the radius of the circle is 1 or it is a unit circle. Yeah, again, exact word to word we will not get the question because this is memory based wordings now. No problem, Preeti. Thank you so much for sending the questions. That is more important. Because after exam, if you are able to remember the question, that's a very big thing. Because in exam hall tension, after that, remembering questions is a challenge. Especially when most of the questions are very long questions, it is really a challenge. Try this. Any answers? Some of you already got it. These were not the options. Now, okay, options, don't worry. I am just putting the options that you people have sent. If options are wrong, no problem, I will explain. Okay, then anyway, we will start explanation. Find the area of the shaded region if the radius of the circle is 1. So if the radius is 1, this is 1, this is 1, and this is 90 degree. So this shaded region, how you can find? I will label it. Let this be, yeah, they have given it as P, I guess. So OPQ. OPQ triangle or OPQ sector, we can find the area of first. How you can find OPQ sector area? Sector area formula you can use, but I will not recommend using this formula unnecessarily. When you do this, when you see this question itself, you know that this is quarter of a full circle. Right? It's a quarter circle because total is 360. So if it was 360 degree full circle, it will be pi 1 square area. Pi 1 square area. So quarter circle area is pi 1 square by 4. Pi by 4 directly write. Don't unnecessarily apply formula when you can logically do it. I hope all of you have done logically itself. So pi by 4 will be this area. From that, if you remove this triangle, you will get the required area. Na? If you can remove this triangle, which triangle? POQ triangle itself. That means remove the area of this triangle. How you can remove? Subtract the area of the triangle. What is the area of the triangle? This you can consider as base, this you can consider as height, and this is 90 degree. So you can use half base into height. Half 1 into 1. Half 1 into 1 is half itself. So pi by 4 minus half will be the answer. Any option which is matching with that? Pi by 4 minus 1. Yeah, pi by 4 minus half should be the answer. Okay, these options are not matching. I think it should be here. There should be a 4 maybe. Sorry, 2 maybe. Pi by 4. Yeah, this will be matching. Now, option A is matching. Yeah, option A is matching. If you take 1 by 4 outside, you will get pi minus 2 because 2 times 1 by 4 is half. So 1 by 4 times pi minus 2. If this is the way the options are there, option A should be the answer. If the options are pi by 4 minus half, that should be the answer. So anyway, the logic is simple. One of the simplest question asked in this question paper. Okay, Preeti, no problem. Options, anyway, this should be the correct answer. Pi by 4 minus half or 1 by 4 10 times pi minus 2. All of you understood this? So that was the second question. So this question clear, this question clear. And this question, I want help from all of you who attended the exam. Is there any change in the question? Please mention. Was the question exactly like this or something extra or something to be deleted? Savannah, previous question doubt is there? Okay, those of you have doubt about previous question, I will repeat one more time. Question said that this is 90 degree. So, and you need to find this shaded area. To find the shaded area, you need to find this sector area minus this triangle area, which is a right triangle with radius as the base, radius as the height. Question says radius of the circle is 1. So half base into height will be the area of that triangle. So half 1 into 1 will be the area of that triangle, that is half. Half will be the area of that triangle. So from the total this sector, you need to subtract that half. So sector area will be what? Full circle area will be pi radius square. Radius is given as 1. So pi 1 square. So as it is quarter of a full circle. How we know that it is quarter of a full circle? 90 degree is quarter of 360 degree. So 1 by 4 pi 1 square will be the area of the sector. That is pi by 4 will be the area of that sector. Minus half will be the area of the triangle. Subtracting it, you get the answer. So pi by 4 minus half. Now if options are a simplified version of it, you have to simplify it. Okay, Manisha, it is saying now. This question is right. Okay. Okay, anyway, this question, anyone remember the options, answer options? Because even if it is a same question also, there is one ambiguity we have. Whether all the 6 balls should be used or not. If the word distributed is there, I think we should assume all the 6 balls should be used. You have no option that you can only 3 balls. You can use only 3 balls or 4 balls or 5 balls. All 6 balls should be used. That should be the meaning, I guess. If we have 4 options, we get a little more clearer idea what they expect. Anyway, I will start explaining. Again, based on this data, I am explaining. 6 indistinguishable balls, that means they are identical balls. You cannot call them different ball. Ball number 1, ball number 2 or ball type number 1, you cannot distinguish like that. So they are identical balls, are to be distributed to 3 persons ABC. Yeah, the 3 people are not indistinguishable. They are 3 separate people. That each get at least 1 ball. Each gets at least 1 ball. Find the number of ways it can be done. So computation combination idea. So ABC, I will call ABC 3 people question say so. So 6 people should be 6 balls should be distributed. At least 1 ball for everyone means 1 minimum should be there. So 1 minimum. So B and C 1. Let us take that. So A can get what? 4 balls because all 6 balls should be distributed. So 4 is a possibility. Did you all understand 4 Now 4 and 1 4 are all different because A, B, C are different people. Giving 4 balls to A, giving 1 ball to B, 1 ball to C is not same as 1 ball to A, 4 balls to B and 1 ball to C. And that is not same as 1 ball to A, 1 ball to B and 4 ball to C. All are different because A, B, C are different people. So that is why we can say 4 is a possibility and it's 3 possibilities where 4 or 3 factorial by 2 possibility. That is 4 I will list it out. 1 4 these are 3 possibility with 4 combination itself. Now let us reduce that 4 to 3. 3 2 1 also is 6 and the 3 and the 6 rearrangements of that 3 2 1 3 1 2. Yeah, you can use permutation combination for that. 3 2 1 can be rearranged in 3 factorial ways. 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 1 3 2 2 1 3 2 3 1 with 3 2 1 itself. Did you all understand the 6 possibility? And then comes 3 2 1. Then comes 2 in the beginning or 2. 2 is the only possibility with 2 Did you all understood? And in my opinion, this much cases only are there because question says at least 1 ball everyone should get. So those of you remember the question, was there an answer saying 10 possibility? Just mention. Or is there any mistake in the question or any correction in the question? Please mention. Okay, Seema. Okay. So anyone? Yeah, the students who are attending this session, how many of you have attended yesterday's exam? So total number of ways will be 10 ways. 10 ways, again I am clarifying, 10 ways only if the question is exactly like this. The question, if this indistinguishable is gone, the answer will totally change. And if three persons, if we are saying identical three people, but that will never happen or very rarely happen in that case. 10 was in options. Okay, so most probably then this should be the correct answer if there is no change in the question. So please tell me whether you are clear about this logic or not, whether this is clear or not. Now if anyone have doubt, why can't we rearrange 2, 2, 2? Still you will not get a different arrangement. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 itself, that is not a different arrangement now. That is why we are not doing so. So options. Okay, so I think all of you are clear about that question also. Again, let us wait for the original question paper to come, then only we will get an idea. Okay, this was a question that students have sent me, but I think when it is zoomed, it is not visible. Okay, don't worry, I will come back to that. I will write it down. I will write it down on the screen and then discuss. Okay, this question again, this question also I need help from all of you. Those of you attended the exam. There is much correction to be done on this question. When we square a particular 2-digit number, again, this is the idea of the question that students have sent me, that a 2-digit number is there. If you square it, you will get CXY. And if you remove the C, you will get the original number XY itself. You will get the original number XY itself. Then what is that C? That is the question. Again, those of you attended the exam, can you please suggest whether the question is correct and whether the options are correct, or how you can correct the question. There is some problem obviously. This is the meaning I have understood from what students have sent me. There is a 2-digit number XY where both the digits are non-zero is also mentioned. X and Y not equal to 0. X not equal to 0, Y not equal to 0. And if you square the number, you will get a number. And if you delete that number, delete the leftmost digit, you will get the original number itself. Is this the meaning of the question? Can you please mention? This equation is not there, Preeti. Yeah, equation as I told, I have written it just to make you understand what is the meaning of the question. If you are confused with the wordings. To make you understand the meaning of the question, I have written the equation. A 2-digit number square give you a 3-digit number. And the leftmost digit, if you delete, you will get the original 2-digit number itself. Then what is that? What is that 2-digit number? Sorry, what is that digit that is deleted? That is the question. First of all, please clarify whether the question is correct or not. Or the idea I am telling now, was it there in the question? Preceding was mentioned, na? Okay, preceding, yeah, XY whole square only, yes, XY whole square only, 2-digit number square only. It was mentioned that the preceding digit, okay, anyway, the equation what I have written, that, is it the meaning of the question? That is what I am asking. The equation is not there in the question, I know, but a 2-digit number square will give you a 3-digit number. That preceding digit C, na, if you delete it, you will get the original number itself. So find that preceding digit. That is the question. Is it 1 or 2 or 4 or 6? Again, what's this options? Let us try that. Again, I also haven't tried this question. I just got the question just before this class starts. Let us try. Let us try some 2-digit number and start thinking about it. What will happen? Like 11 square or yeah, both the digits are non-zero. 11 square, let us try. 3-digit number will come up to 31 only. So let us make a try anyway. So 11 square and the maximum option is 6. So you have to only try till 6 only. So 600 something only. 600 something means maximum up to 25 only we will try. We will take some examples to understand this. 11 square is 121. 11 square is 121. That if you delete this one, are you getting 11? No, you are not getting 11 now. Are you understanding the point? What we need to check, did you understand? So if it is 12 square, 144. If you delete 1, you are not getting 12. 13 square, 169. If you delete 1, you are not getting 69. Sorry, you are not getting 13. can do direct method also. You can take this as 10x plus y, 10x plus y the whole square equal to c into 100c plus 10x plus y, and you can simplify that to get the value of c. We want only c, we don't want x and y, that is why it is easy. Anyway, first we will trial and error and find it. 19 square is 361, 21 square, 22 square will be 284. Yeah, 25 square now. Yeah, it was a very simple question. We just complicated it unnecessarily, or I just complicated it unnecessarily. 25 square, if you delete the first digit, you will get the 25 itself. So, 25 square is the xy we are searching for, but the question is asking what is the c we are searching for. So, c should be 6. All of you understood this? 25 square, 625 is the answer. So, this is the trial and error method of doing it. If you don't want trial and error, let us try the direct method itself so that the concept is clear, so that any other exam if this comes, you can still do it. So a 2-digit number can be written as 10x plus y. 10x plus y the whole square should be equal to c into xy, means this was not there, this I just derived as an equation to make you understand the question for those people who haven't written the exam also. So 10x plus y the whole square will be equal to 100c plus 10x plus y. That is what the question is saying. Yeah, this is very simple then. So don't expand this. What is a simple way to simplify? Okay, we need to expand it, I guess. Without that we cannot. So 100x, opening up the brackets, a plus b the whole square, 100x plus 20xy plus y square, 20xy plus y square equal to 100c. Okay, that will take more time now. Yeah, the better way will be not to write 10x plus y. You can consider 10x plus y as some k, then it is easy. 10x plus y as some k, which is a 2-digit number. So k square equal to 100c plus k we can say. K square, let us try that way, because this will also give you the answer, but that will be very time consuming. K square equal to some 100c plus k. Because the hundreds part and this you are considering as the tens part. And then you can substitute options and check. That may work. That may work, I guess. So k square k into k minus 1 is equal to 100c. K into k minus 1 equal to 100c, and for which one that will work? Substitute each c and check. 100 into 1, can it be written as some k into k minus 1? K into k minus 1 means a number into a number before, or product of two consecutive digits. Yeah, those of you know Vedic math, this is solved directly. Only a 5-ending number will satisfy that. Anyway, we will check. 100 into c, 200, can it be written as a number into an x number? No, that is also wrong. 1 second. No, that will also complicate. I think the trial and error method itself will be better. I am not getting with direct method. Direct method solution will be there, but I am not getting it. Anyway, first method is clear now. Trial and error you can try with different values and see. 6 you will be getting. Let me check the comments. 156 से n होने वाला number check करके 156 n नहीं सिद्धार्था begin करना है ना. 156 से begin करने वाला number से ही check कर सकता है. C is in the beginning, I guess. The question was like that ना. So 156 से beginning वाला बहुत सारा numbers. Yeah, actually that is also fine. But one beginning perfect squares there are many. 2 beginning perfect square there are many. 4 beginning perfect square also there are many. Yeah, that will reduce some more time. What you told is correct, Siddhartha. But beginning number. The question was the square is preceded by number c and the 2 digits were same. Okay. Last two digits are same. Was it mentioned like that, Seema? Okay, then the question is different. Two students have sent me this idea. I thought that this should be the idea. If this is the idea, 6 should be the answer. Okay, I think we can skip that question for the time's sake. Anyway, for this situation, this should be the answer, option D. 6 should be the answer. Okay, and this was a distance and direction problem asked. All of you try this and see whether there is any correction needed on this question. All of you, one more thing, after the official question paper is released, I will give you a detailed analysis once again. Now for the purpose of checking whether your answers are correct and having an idea of what were there in the question papers for other stream students also. That is why this lecture is conducted just after the exam, for you to understand which all questions you have done correctly and all. So after maybe 1 week or 2 weeks later, CSIR may publish answer key or response sheet. We don't know how fast they will do. Gate exam answer sheet or response sheet came very soon. So maybe CSIR also this time, maybe they will respond or publish it very soon. After that, we will conduct a detailed analysis of all the 20 questions came in the question paper. Now whatever we are having, that we are analyzing. This question, all of you read and tell me whether there is any correction needed. Whether there is any mistake, let me know. Check it, and if this is the correct question, answer it. What you got the answer, mention in the chat please. Take this as a practice session also, so where you can practice these questions. Some of you are preparing for today's life science 3 o'clock exam. You people also go through these questions so that you get an idea what you can expect in your question paper also. Five meters the answer. Okay, so Preeti is saying 30 degree with lower and 60 degree with upper. Is it so? Okay, anyway, we will try to draw the picture and then you people can tell me what are the corrections needed in the question. Okay, a building has 2 windows. The lower window is 2 meters above the ground and the second window is 4 meters above the ground. So 2 meters above the ground, lower window is there. 4 meters above the ground, another window is there. One more 2 meters above. A bird is sitting at the top of the window making a 30 degree angle with the second window. Bird is sitting at the top of Is the bird sitting at the top of the window or top of another object? With the lower window 30 degree is making, so yeah, we will just assume if the question is something like this and see whether that is working. So with the lower window 30 degree and with the higher window it should be 60 degree. If this is the case, with the lower window 30 degree and higher window it should be 60 degree. But it is written other way around, maybe that is a correction needed. At what height is the bird above the ground? Okay, so bird is not on the ground level, that is what the question is saying, or maybe there is something more in the question which is specifying that. So we can say that the bird is somewhere here. and the bird is looking at the lower window like this. This is 2 meter from the ground, and higher window like this. Maybe this is the question. Those of you attended the exam, please correct it if there is any correction you think it is there. And this is 60 degree. Question is asking this length, this x length. Is it the question? Please mention. Is it the question? Bird was in the air. Now, okay, Ranjani. So that means bird is in the air. Bird in the air, something like that we can represent. Yeah, that makes more sense, because if it is in the lower ground, that is wrong, because then finally you cannot ask height of the bird above the ground now, because that will be 0 only now. So anyway, I think this is the question. Is it correct now? Please mention. Those of you attended the exam, please mention. Is it correct now? The situation mentioned, is it correct? So the corrections needed is this is first window. This is first window, and 60 degree with the lower window. Yeah, then that is correct. 30 degree with the higher window, and the 60 degree with the 30 degree with the lower window, and this is with the higher window, higher or the second window. So yeah, if this is a question, let us understand this way and try to answer this. So this much is 4. If this is x, this much is x, so this is 2 minus x, 2 minus x, 4, and this much is 2. So you can use trigonometry, 2 trigonometric ratios you can write. Tan 60 is equal to opposite by 2 plus 2 minus x, that is 4 minus x, or 4 minus this x, that way also you can say. 4 minus x opposite by adjacent. This adjacent, okay, I think okay, adjacent is also not mentioned now. Okay, so we will consider that as y. That is y. 4 minus x by y. Tan 60 is equal to 4 minus x by y. And the second equation is tan 30 is equal to opposite by. Opposite is 2 minus x by y. 2 minus x by y. Now 2 equations, 2 unknowns, solve it. You will get the value of x and y. We want the value of x actually. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 equal to 2 minus x by y. And tan 60 root 3 equal to 4 minus x by y. 2 equations, 2 unknown. Simplify it, you will get the answer. Did you all understood it? The idea? So this was not a difficult question. If this is the structure of the question, this is not a difficult question. Now those of you have more questions, please send it. We will discuss that. Any questions you have doubt on? This also actually it is not visible, I guess. This was a question, but I feel that there is many things missing in the question or something extra in the question. So anyway, this was such a question, and this also you people please mention what is there in the question more. Here also this is not complete. Lengthy questions we didn't get fully. Okay, this question I will write down for you. Not visible, the resolution I think is not visible. I will do one thing, I will write it down for you and explain. It's a seating arrangement problem. The question is saying there are 6 persons sitting around a round table, PQRSTU. So 6 people sitting around a round table. I will write down the summary of the question and so that you can understand the question. 6 persons, PQRSTU, around a round table. So 6 people sitting on a round table. So I will just represent also. Round table, 6 people. It is better to draw a hexagon so that the picturization is easy. Don't draw a circle, because equally dividing circle freehand will be difficult. But if you draw a hexagon, that is an easy trick to represent 6 people or seating arrangement of 6 people. If it is 8 people, draw an octagon. That will be easy. Anyway, PQRSTU, 6 people are there. T and S are not sitting close to each other. T and S not adjacent. That is one statement. T T and R are sitting diagonally. T and R diagonally sitting. P is sitting left of R. P left of R. Then which of the following is not possible? These are the conditions. Which of the following is not possible? So let us represent the conditions. T and S not adjacent. T and R diagonal. So T and R diagonal means T here. You can consider R here. Without loss of generality, I am just choosing 2 points. P left of R. I am choosing anti-clockwise as left, clockwise as right. You can choose whichever direction you want, but whatever convention you follow, don't change it. I am choosing anti-clockwise as left, clockwise as right. Because some people can argue that they are sitting around round table, but whether we are looking at them or we are at the position of them, that way you can get confused, clockwise and anti-clockwise. That is why fix a convention that you want and that will work. So anyway, I am just fixing anti-clockwise as left, clockwise as right. So throughout the question I am following that convention. So P left of R means I can place P here. Now T and S are not adjacent means S cannot come here, S cannot come here, S should come here only. So now we got this much. Who are the remaining 2 people? Q and U. Q and U can sit anywhere here. Q, U, U, Q. Both are possible. So 2 realities possible, Q, U. And the second reality where U, Q like this and all others sitting on their respective positions. These 2 are the 2 parallel realities. Whichever answer you choose should satisfy both the conditions. So now let us check. P and Q, first option. Thus if you are not able to see this, I will dictate the first option. Option A is saying which of the following is not possible is asked. P and Q are sitting diagonally. Is it possible? P and Q sitting diagonally. P and Q sitting diagonally is possible in this case. So it is possible in one reality at least. In one reality at least it is possible. Other reality it is not possible, but that is okay. So option A is not the answer. P and Q sitting diagonally is not the answer. Second option, P and U are sitting diagonally. That is also possible in one reality. P and U sitting diagonally is true in one reality. So that is also possible, not possible. So third option, S and Q are sitting diagonally. S and Q. Yes, S and Q can be sitting diagonally in this reality. Not in this, but in this reality they can. So option C is also not the answer. R and Q are sitting diagonally. This is not diagonal. This is also not diagonal. Diagonal means diametrically opposite. That is the meaning. I think maybe the word that is mentioned was similar to that or not. Anyway, here diagonally means diametrically opposite itself is what is meant. So definitely R and Q sitting diagonally is not possible with respect to this data. If the data is exactly like this option will be the correct answer. R and Q sitting diagonally not possible. Did you all understand? This is a very interesting simple question only. So yes, Irshad, that is why I have dictated it, Irshad. Which question, Pushpendra? Previous question? Okay, Pratima have sent a question. We will check that also. Seema, I will check it. The whole questions and options were not visible at the time of screen, so we can scroll down again and to analyze it properly. Okay, in the original question paper it was like that, Jahir. That is what you are saying. The questions were so lengthy that in one screen it was not visible at that time. Na? Okay, yeah, actually mathematical science question paper, I will not say questions were tough. Questions were lengthy and time consuming. Many of them. But simple questions or less time consuming questions were also there. Like that Venn diagram problem, geometry problem. Even this, I will not say it is so lengthy and so time consuming. If you represent the picture properly in 2 minutes, you can do this. Seating arrangement problem if you have practiced well. The whole question. Okay. Now one more question I will take from your comments. Pratima posted a question. We will discuss that. Those of you remember any other question fully, please mention it. I think Pratima is mentioning about this question. This question, Pratima have mentioned it completely. If class A has 24 students, I will represent the data. Class A have 24 students. And exchange one student with class B. Class B exchange one student. Then that average increase by 1.25. Average of what? That is my question. Average of what? Average height or average what? Average marks or what? That is the confusion I had even in this question also. Average, is it average marks or average height or what? Anyone know? Okay, Preeti, I will check. I think you people have mailed. Yeah, those of you who want to mail me more questions that you remember, Christy1710@gmail.com, you can mail me now. I will take it right now itself. Average marks. Okay, Preeti, it is average marks is mentioned now. Average marks. So I will represent marks itself. Everything is in terms of marks, I guess. So, average marks of B increased by 1.25 and or A increased by 1. Okay, then that makes sense. Okay, so average so with respect to that, let us try to understand this question. If it is average marks, it is making sense. There's a class A and B. In class A there are 24 people. If we exchange one guy in between class A and B, then the average marks of A increases by 1.25. So average marks of A increases by 1.25 means 24 into 1.25, this much extra contribution he is making. Average chapter, when I taught you in the class, I told you about the deviation approach. Deviation approach you have to use here, otherwise it will be very time consuming. So average marks of A increase by 1.25 means 24 into 1.25 is the total contribution. Total sum of observation increased by 24 into 1.25. 24 into 1.25 means 30. 30 mark increase happened in A group. Whatever was the total marks in A class, 30 marks more extra was added due to this exchange. Whereas that of B reduced by 1. B reduced by 1. I will call let Y be the number of Y be the number of students in B. That is what we need to find. And one second. 1.25 increase. That was increase of 30 totally. Okay, I will just represent it once more. So I will call I will take an example. Let small letter A, B, C, D up to X, Y, Z. X, A, B, C up to X is the 24 people. And I am taking this person X mark, or these are the 24 observation. What we are doing, this X mark person is given to B class. Due to that, so total 24 people are here. Due to that, the average of A is increasing by 1.25. Okay, then there is a data missing now. Just a minute. So 24 into A1 I will call as the average one. 24 A1 be the sum of observation initially. That is added by 1.25. 1.25 means 24 A1 plus 1.25. 24 times A1 into 1.25. A1 plus 1.25 is the new average. And B, what happened? If A2 is the average of B, it got reduced by 1. A2 minus 1 is the new average. So the question is asking the number of observation. Let X be the number of observation. This is the question. But still A1 and A2 connection is not given. Is there anything more in the question? Anyone remember? Anything more in the question, on this question? Anything more? Anyone remember? Okay, anyway, this is the idea given in the question, but the problem is to solve this. Here X also is unknown, A1 and A2 is also unknown. Either some connection between A1 and A2 is given, or something else is given or needed in the question. Anyway, for the time being, this is one question asked in the question paper. I will solve it in the upcoming days once we get more idea about the question. And another question that some of you have sent in the chat is, yeah, that question partially I have heard before, but I didn't get the full question. Now you people have sent it. I will discuss that. That palindrome related, there was a question you people have mentioned. So that we will discuss now. Just a minute. So there was a calendar related problem. Just correct me if the dates are wrong. There was a calendar related problem, 2000 to 2020, right? Is it correct? Was the question asked 2000 to 2020 or some other year? Please mention. 2000 to 2020, how many palindrome dates are there? That was the rough idea of the question. Exact wording I didn't receive. Anyway, this was the rough idea. 2000 to 2022. 20, how many dates are there which can be read forward and backward same? Like an example also was given in the question, that is what you people mentioned. The example was 12th February 2021. Thank you, Shanmugam. So 12th February 2021, how you will write it? 12 to 2021. Nah? If you read it forward 1202 2021. If you read it backward also 1202 2021 is the answer. Sorry, it's the same thing. So these kinds of dates, how many are there between 2000 to 2022? That was the question. First of all of you tell me whether this question is correct. This is what the question is asking. Between 2000 to 2020, I am asking to the people who have written yesterday's exam. Between 2000 to 2020, how many dates are there which follows this pattern? Reading forward and reading backward is the same, or palindrome type dates. Okay, let us think about it. Let us fix the year and check. That will be the better way. Let us fix the year and check. 2000 to 2020 or 2001 to 2020? Anyone remember? Let us check with 2000 itself. Is there any date possible with 2000? So 2000 will be written as the date. 2000 will be written as the date. So month is here, day is here. So for this to write, here you should get 00. 00 date is not possible. So 2000 you cannot consider any such date. Are you all understanding? So let us try with 2001. Once you try 2-3 examples, you will get an idea what is the condition needed. 2001 means it should be 10/02/2001. Please tell me whether that is valid. 1002 2001, 1002 2001. So this is one such date. 10th of February 2001. Yeah, 10th of February 2001 is a valid date now. Is that clear? Now let us check for 2002. 2002, I don't know the answer options. Those of you remember the answer option mentioned in the chat. 2002. 2002, is it possible? 20th February 2002. Yes, 2000 to 2002. When you read it reverse also, it is 2000 to 2002. So that is also valid. Are you all understanding? But now comes the problem. 2003, let us check. Then it should be 30 02 2003. Yeah, that is here comes the problem. What is the problem? February does not have 30 dates. This is the day part or day part. This is the month part and this is the year part. But February does not have 30. So 2003 it is not valid. You may be thinking every year how we will check like this. No, from here onwards you understand the problem. Why? 2003 if it is not working, 2004 will not work. Because for that to happen 40 days should be there. Maximum day for a month is 31 only. Na? So 40 is impossible. So 2004 will not work. 5 will not work. That is needed 50. Na? 60 needed for 6. Are you understanding the point? So till 09 it will not work for sure. It will not work for sure till 2009. So 2000 to 2009 only 2 dates we have found till now. Now let us check from 2001 onwards. Sorry, 2011 onwards. 2011 for that to happen, 11 should come here. 1102 2001. Is it a valid date? Tell me. 11th February 2011 is a valid date, na? So that is not a problem. So first one, second one, third one we counted. Now fourth one, 2012. 2012 means 21 you should write, 2102. Yeah, February have 21 date. So definitely 2102 2012 is possible. So this is the fourth possibility. Now listen, just like previous case, now problem will come from 2013 onwards, because for 13 it should be 31 February. 31 February does not exist, so this is not working. 14 also, 41 you need, does not work. 51 you need. So till 19 it will not work. Till 19, and I think the question is till 2020. Anyone remember? Sorry, 2010 we haven't checked. Sorry. 2010 we haven't checked. We forgot 2010. 10 is working. 1002 2010 is possible. 1002 2010. 1002 2010 possible now. So that is the third one. This is the fourth one. This is the fifth one. Now if it is till 2020, let us check 2020. 2020 may work or not, we will check it. 2020, 22, 2002, 2002. Sorry, 02. 0202 2002 0202 2002. So that is working. February 2nd 2020 is also such a date now. So that is the sixth possibility. So if the question is like this, 6 should be the answer. Did you all understood this? 6 should be the answer. If there is any confusion, please mention. Again I am telling, February 2 2001 is valid. February 20 2002 is valid. February 10 2010 is valid. February 11 2011 is valid. February 21 2012 is valid. February 2 2020 is also valid. Again, if the yes, Shanmugam, 6 should be correct if this is the question. Okay, did you understand the questions we have discussed till now? Now tell me if you have sent any more question, we will discuss that. Hope this discussion is helping you out. If this discussion is helping you out, please hit the like button. That will help this video to reach to more and more people, and share this video to your friends so that your friends can also watch it and check their answer key and use this as a practice for the upcoming NET exam. If any of your friends are preparing for upcoming NET exam, for them also this will be useful. Shanmugam, that cylinder question, did you send the full question? As I told, what I have received is not the full question. There is many things missing in that. If you have sent the full question, we will discuss it. Okay, Sampriti, let me check. In the comment box you have sent, let me check. New students, if you want detailed explanation of this question paper and all other question papers and even previous last 10, 12 years question paper discussion, I have done in this channel, in Unacademy YouTube channel, Unacademy special class platform, and in my YouTube channel also. You can just search General Aptitude with Christy Varghese. You can get the resources, all the videos I have posted till now, free classes I have posted till now, you can get it. Those of you who are preparing for CSIR net, June CSIR net also, detailed learning you can get from those previous free classes or recorded classes. And daily at 11 a.m. I take free classes. Daily 11 o'clock my free classes are there. Tomorrow 11 o'clock also in the special class platform I will be taking free classes. Paper analysis for other question papers I will be doing. Okay, cylindrical water tank, where is that question? Let me check. Some of you have sent it in the comments. A big cylinder contain how many small cylinder? Radius 110 and height same. Okay, that was the question. Water in large cylindrical water tank is smaller tanks with same height and smaller ones with 1/10 diametrically to larger one. Find the number of smaller ones needed. Okay, that is the question that is solvable. That is simple only. Okay, I think Sampriti and Shanmugam posted a similar question. So with that simple wording, I will start. Question is saying cylindrical question, a big cylinder, in a big cylinder, how many small cylinder of radius 110 and same height can be accommodated? How many small cylinders with radius 1/10 of the big cylinder and same height? Is it the question or is it the idea of the question? Maybe more things in the question will be there, water will be transferred, that all. But is it the idea of the question? Please respond, those of you who attended the exam. If this is the idea of the question, I will explain. So this radius be R. So small cylinder with radius, same radius, 1/10 of the radius, R/10 radius, same height. If this is height, this is also same height. So you just have to, if this is the question, this is so simple. So anyway, if this is a question, I will answer accordingly. So pi r square, which is the volume of the cylinder. So this small volume, how many? Yeah, you just have to look at the proportionality. Radius square, if radius is 110, the radius square is 1/100. So, how many small cylinders? 100 small cylinder volume can be accommodated. Or mathematically, if you want the idea of it, initial this volume will be pi r square h. This volume will be pi r/10 the whole square h. How many such volumes? Let n be the number of small spheres. So n times pi r/10 the whole square h is equal to pi r square h. So pi cancels, h cancels, r square cancels. H into 1/100 equal to 1. H is equal to, sorry, not h, n. N into 1/100 equal to 1. N equal to 100. 100 small cylinders will be there. Again I am telling, if this is the idea of the question, this is the answer. If the original question have any deviation, answer will also change. Yeah, answer 100 was there in the answer option. So I think that is the correct question and that is the correct answer also. Okay, diametrically it was written. Diametrically also that will not change the answer. Diametrically, if it is 1/10, the radius wise also it is 1/10. Because if you half it, this also will be half now. That will not change the answer. Did you all understand? I think we discussed, how many questions we discussed now? This one done. 2, 3, 4, 5. This one I gave the idea. 6, 7, 8. This also idea only we generated. 8, 9. The calendar problem also. Any more question? If you have, please ask. Otherwise, we can conclude here. And those if you are watching this session, if you are liking this session, do hit the like button. Diameter was in the question. All the rest are same. Shanmugam is mentioning, I'm old Unacademy student. Your classes and books made to do the question within short span of time. Thank you, sir. So happy to hear, Shanmugam. Yeah, hope those of you attended my classes could do well yesterday. I agree that some questions were time consuming. I'm not denying that. But still, I have the same opinion that I have told before the exam also. There will be easy question, and in this question paper also, in the 10 questions we have seen today itself, easy questions were there. This was a less time consuming question. If you see the proper wording of the question, that's a simple question. This was a relatively simple question. And this was a relatively simple question. This was very simple question. For a math student, this should be a very simple question. And this was very simple question. So still there are 7 simple questions minimum. That is for sure. Simple in the sense, questions which can be done in less than 2 minutes easily. So I think we can conclude today's session here. Maybe one more detailed analysis we will do. When I get more questions, I will conduct one more session. Either in this channel or in my channel, I will conduct one more session once we get more questions. So if any of you are remembering any more question, or if any of you are getting more questions of yesterday's, Christy1710@gmail.com, you can mail me or telegram me, and I will add it in the upcoming classes. Tomorrow 11 a.m. in the Unacademy free platform, you will be getting the class. Yes, those of you are going for tomorrow's today 3 p.m. exam. Some of you are attending who are going for today 3 p.m. exam also. So happy to see you even on the exam date for attending the class. God bless you all, and do well in today's exam. And those of you, exam is completed, don't think too much about the exam now. Now think what for the future. Are you sure that you will clear the exam, or do you want to prepare for the upcoming exam? Those who completed the exam, I'm telling this. So for 2-3 days, relax yourself. Those of you completed the exam, you have been preparing for many months or maybe 1 year also, because last exam was conducted 1 year back. So now relax for 2-3 days. After that, you decide what is your next plan. What should be your next plan? If you are confident about clearing this exam or clearing what you need, whether you need a JRF, are you confident about JRF, or whether you need an LS, are you confident about the LS cutoff that you will clear? If so, accordingly plan. If not so, accordingly plan. Accordingly plan in the sense, if you want to attempt the June exam, June is what CSIR is telling, that June also, December also they will conduct exams. So if you want to plan for June exam, after 2-3 days, or after relaxing for 2-3 days after the exam, decide what should be your next plan. So, and all the best with whatever plan you have, and all the best for your results also, all the best for your, most of your exams are over already now. Life science exam today 3 p.m. one more exam is there. All other subjects exams are over. So, and for the new batch, if you want my help for your general aptitude preparation, you can be part of my full-length course. My full-length course is in the Unacademy platform, plus platform. You can access this full-length course with complete theory, complete discussion of previous year questions, and practice questions with shortcut methods, tips and tricks I will be discussing in this course. The course started already. You can attend the missed lectures as recorded, and upcoming lectures till April 13 this course will run. 8:30 to 10 a.m. is the live course timing. You can be part of this course, and for being part of the course, you just have to take Unacademy Plus subscription and attend this course and all other subject courses also. Life science, mathematical science, chemical science and physical science students. Subject courses also there, aptitude courses also there. By a single subscription of Plus, you can attend both of it. And this time Unacademy till February 19, and a special offer is running. If you are applying the referral code CC10 or CC10 live, in the description of this video you can see that the details of it. Till February 19 for your subscription there will be a 20% off. Normally it is 10% off, so there is a 20% discount for your Plus subscription if you are taking Plus subscription today, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Sorry, 19 this, just what is the date today? 17. Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you will be getting this offer. So, and these are the procedure by which you can take an Unacademy Plus subscription. And one single subscription, you can access all the educators, all the courses. This is a subscription pricing. and once you apply the referral code, this is the normal discount you normally get, but now till 29th you will be getting again 10 more percentage off, so 20% off. So for 1 month or 3 month, 1 month subscription now it is not there, I guess. 3 month or 6 month or 12 month or 24 month, the subscriptions are available. So note down the referral code for getting maximum discount. And all my courses, there are 45 courses till now I have launched. All those courses you can access. Gate complete courses there, capsule courses are there, set exam courses, lectures are there, DBT courses are there. All those courses you can access via single subscription. And if you are not able to afford Unacademy Plus subscription, don't worry, my free classes will run. My free classes will continue in this platform, and in the Unacademy special class platform more free classes are there. In the comment section you can see a pinned comment. There you can get the link to access the free platform classes, Unacademy free platform classes. And if you are new to Unacademy, you may have to give an unlock code to access the free platform. The same code you can use to unlock the free classes also. Where you are asked unlock code, you can just enter CC10 or CC10 live. You will be able to access the free platform classes also. I have given till now almost 700 free classes in 3 platforms together. Unacademy free platform, Unacademy YouTube channel, my YouTube channel together. More than 700 full length classes I have given. All those are available. Just Google General Aptitude with Christy Varghese, you will be getting all that. And special classes, more live classes I conduct daily. Free classes I conduct in the Unacademy special class platform, not in this YouTube channel. So more free classes you want to attend, click on the link in the description, click on the link in the comments and access the free platform. And you can follow the educator, you will get all the updates from the educator. There is a follow option just like YouTube subscription. There is a follow option in the Unacademy special class platform. Click on the link and you can follow my page. By searching my name you can find it. So that is about the upcoming classes, upcoming free classes. Tomorrow 11 AM will be the next free class. Preeti, I will add it in the upcoming days now. Now my throat is paining actually, that's why I am not continuing this class for more. Pending questions or pending more questions when you receive, just mail me. In the upcoming days I will add it. So that's it. And today 6 PM if possible, chemical science paper analysis I will be taking. If you want more practice with more questions, any science stream you can attend that paper, because all these aptitude classes are common for all science streams, because aptitude, whichever question paper you see, that is good for your practice. Some question paper will be little difficult than the other, that is just coincidence. So just practice aptitude well. For any competitive exam, aptitude section nowadays are important. So practice aptitude well, you can score well in many competitive exams. So that's it. Thank you all. My gate paper analysis classes also you can see in this channel and in Unacademy special class platform. Those of you come last 2 weeks back, gate exam was happened already. So that gate exam paper analysis also you can see here. So that's it. Thank you all. Take care all of you. The missed questions in the upcoming days I will include. Plus students, today 2 PM I will take the pending questions which we missed. Once we get more questions, I will add it in the upcoming free class and upcoming plus course also. Okay, so that's it. Thank you all. So make use of this if you are planning to take an Unacademy Plus subscription. So thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.